I'm going to show you how to forward your Allen email account to whatever email account you use most often, and where to download the free copy of Microsoft Office, which includes Microsoft Word, that Allen offers you every semester you're enrolled at Allen. First, click on My Portal. You're going to log in. I have more tabs. I'm a teacher. Then come down to the email account. And you'll see over here on the right top that you can install Office apps right here. Click on that and follow those instructions, and that's how you install Word, Excel, any Microsoft Office app you really need. And you can use it for an entire semester. All right, let's go to your email. If you go up here to the top right, you'll see a little gear. Click on that. Search all settings. You're under settings, so you want to put a search code in, so put forwarding. And you're taken to this page. You would start forwarding, type in whatever email address you want that you have, then you keep a copy, and then you save. That's how you're going to get all of your Allen emails forwarded to your home account, and stay in touch with what we need you to know.